When you register a new domain name, you may not want to use it right away. Now, this may sound strange, but people often will register memorable domain names and then sell them for a profit. Here's what you need to do. When you register your new domain, you need to choose if you want to host the domain or not. If you do not want to use the domain for a site for now, then do not pick the domain. This will automatically put the domain in a floating status. Now, if you have a domain that has already been hosted, go to the Parking and Redirection section. Then right-click on it, and then select Unhost to remove it from the hosted domains. Another way is to click on the house icon in the Type column, and then click on the Remove from Hosted Domains link. Now, to float multiple domains, just select the domains using the checkbox and then click the Unhost Domains button above the table. Now, if the domain you have is parked, then you can put it in a floating status by selecting the Float Parked Domain option with a right click, or by selecting the domain and then click on the Float Parked Domain button. And of course, the green pop-up box will confirm that the domain has been floated correctly. Now you know how to put a domain in a floating status.